I didn't try to lose that much.
My brother Marcus, I started drinking Sierra Nevada a long time ago,
He considers that hippie beer.
and he always drank Coors Light, and he's always say, "All right, so you're coming to visit. Do I have to go buy some of that hippie beer, or are you gonna buy it? Bring it. I'll bring the hippie beer.
I'll bring the hippie bears.
Alright, come on, peeps. Fun to eat. Michael, your puppet.
Up first. Can't do two of those things at once.
Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna miss it. Yeah. No, I thought you said it's really fun.